One simple habit can silently destroy your marriage. It's more dangerous than cheating, more corrosive than conflict, and it's backed by decades of research. In today's video, we'll uncover the #1 predictor of divorce, what it is, how to recognize it, and most importantly, how to stop it before it's too late. Stick around to the end. I'll share a real story of a couple who reversed this habit and saved their marriage. Dr. John Gottman, one of the world's top relationship experts, can predict divorce with over 90% accuracy just by watching how couples argue. And the red flag he watches for? Contempt. It's not yelling. It's not conflict. It's that subtle, poisonous habit that slowly tears two people apart. Let me explain. Contempt is when you treat your partner like they're beneath you. It's sarcasm, eye rolls, name-calling, sneering, mocking. It sounds like, ugh, you're so lazy. Why would I expect anything different from you? Wow, good job on being 30 minutes late again. It's emotional superiority, and it's lethal to love. Contempt doesn't just hurt feelings, it destroys respect. And without respect, love can't survive. Most couples don't start with contempt. It creeps in. It begins when small resentments pile up, when your needs aren't met and go unspoken. Instead of saying, I feel ignored, you say, you never care about anyone but yourself. That emotional shift from frustration to superiority is where contempt lives. Eye-rolling or scoffing during arguments, mocking or sarcastic tones instead of calm discussion, name-calling or insults like, you're selfish or you're clueless, disrespectful humor that puts your partner down, loss of admiration, you no longer see their good intentions. If you notice even one of these becoming a pattern, don't ignore it. It's the first crack in the foundation. Here's how to fix it and reconnect with your partner in a healthy, lasting way. 1. Replace criticism with curiosity. Instead of, you're so irresponsible, say, I get anxious when we're not on the same page. Can we talk about it? Curiosity invites connection. Contempt shuts it down. 2. Build a culture of appreciation. Couples who express gratitude regularly have higher emotional resilience. Start saying, thank you for helping. I really appreciated that. I love how you always think of us. Make positivity the new normal. 3. Use the soft startup technique. When starting a tough conversation, be gentle. Instead of, you never care about what I need, say, I've been feeling disconnected lately, and I want to feel close to you again. Avoid blame. Lead with emotion. 4. Create contempt-free zones. Designate time every week to talk without judgment or interruption. Weekly 30-minute check-ins. No phones, no distractions. Just presence, empathy, and honesty. 5. Get help early. Seeing a counselor doesn't mean your marriage is failing. It means you're investing in it. Couples who seek help before crisis hits are far more likely to repair and rebuild trust. Meet Jessica and Leo, married 10 years. They stopped laughing together. Conversations turned into sarcasm. Leo began to avoid arguments. Jessica felt unseen and unheard. One day, their 8-year-old daughter said, "Why do you guys always sound so angry?" That woke them up. They started marriage counseling. They learned about contempt. Leo began validating Jessica's feelings. Jessica stopped using sarcasm as a weapon. Today, they say learning to recognize and remove contempt saved their family. If you're constantly rolling your eyes, making jabs, or feeling superior, it's not just stress, it's contempt. And it's not just damaging your partner, it's slowly killing your connection. But here's the good news. You can change this. You can rebuild respect. You can heal emotional intimacy. One kind word, one soft approach at a time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Comment below. What's one thing you'll try this week to reconnect with your partner? Subscribe to the Wedded Bliss Journey channel for more marriage solutions. And don't miss our next video, 5 Habits of Happy Couples. It's packed with simple actions that bring couples closer every day.